We will demonstrate now how to adjust the ruler parameters. If you go up to the organizer, click a radiograph you want to measure, open it in Draw, and then go and make sure the proper sensor is selected. Go ahead and choose your ruler tool. Let's say we want to measure the length from the incisal edge to where the post is, and that's about 12.5 millimeters. Now the parameters that you have control over are that you can control the color of the ruler, whether these endpoints are present, whether the ticks are present, the background color that the text appears on, the color of the text, the font, and its size. So let's go through those parameters and how they might be changed. First of all, to control the color of the ruler, you simply select it. Pick the Select tool, go up and select it. It will have a bounding box around it, and then just choose the color that you want the ruler to be. You can make it any color you want. In this case, since the background is white, we can see a black ruler better. To change these other parameters, you go into the Defaults menu, which is right here, and go down, scroll down to where the ruler parameters are. And here is where you change the parameters for all future rulers that you will use. The background color, that's this color that the 12.49 millimeters shows on. The background color here is black. To change it, if you don't like that, just click on the box and go ahead and choose the background color that you want. This is the font. This is the size font. And you have other controls over how the font appears. The ruler foreground color is yellow here. That's the type color that you want to actually show. I like a black background and a yellow font because you can see it clearly. The gauge I have as true. You can change that if you don't want the gauge mark at the end of the ruler to show. You change that to false. And the ticks, I personally don't like the ticks, so I turn them off. And then you go down and save those parameters. Now on the next ruler that you use, those parameters will be in place. Let's get rid of our annotations here. And now let's draw a new ruler. And let's go ahead and select the color so we can see it better. And now you can see the tick marks are gone, the gauge is present, and the color that we selected for the background and the text color is correct, just as we had selected in the Defaults menu.